In this video, we will learn how to calculate the oxidation state of central metal atom or ion. So, if this is our example for calculating the oxidation state for central metal atom, then this is the central metal atom. In previous videos, I have already told कि as soon as the bracket starts, the first entity written inside is central metal atom, of which the oxidation state has to be calculated. So in this example, potassium is the counter ion. The charge on it is +1. Then plus, for this species, the central metal atom, you take the oxidation state as X. Then cyano has -1 charge. There are two cyano, so -1 into 2 is equals to 0. On further solving, +1 plus X minus 2 is equals to 0. On solving this, X minus 1 is equals to 0. And when -1 is shifted to the right side of is equals to, it will become +1. So in this compound, the oxidation state of silver is +1. Similarly, if we discuss this example, there are two potassium. One potassium bears +1 charge. So 2 will have +1 into 2. We have to calculate the oxidation state of mercury. So taken as X plus 1 chlorine has -1 charge, and here there are 4. So -1 into 4 is equals to 0. So +2 plus X minus 4 is equals to 0. X minus 2 is equals to 0. X is equals to +2. So the oxidation state of mercury in this compound is +2. Now see the third example. Here 3 potassium are there. So +1 into 3 plus central metal atom is iron. So you write X for that, plus this is oxalate C2O4, 2 minus is the charge. So one oxalate has -2 charge, but here we have 3. So -2 on 1 and into 3 will give you the charge on 3 oxalate ions is equals to 0. So +3 plus X minus 6 is equals to 0. X minus 3 is equals to 0, and hence you have got X is equals to +3. So this is the oxidation state on iron in this compound. Now see this one. Here there is no counter ion written at the front or at the back. So directly we will start from here. This is the central metal atom, nickel. Take it as X because we have to calculate the oxidation state of nickel only here. So X plus carbonyl is a ligand which has neutral charge. Neutral means 0. So 0 into how many carbonyl? 4 is equals to 0. Hence X is equals to 0. So this is a compound in which nickel is in 0 oxidation state. Then this is something like a big example. So you see here the central metal atom is platinum. Take it as X. Plus this is chlorido ligand -1. 1 chlorido is there. That is why -1. Plus this is nitrito N which carries -1 charge. So -1 for 1 nitrito. Then this is amine ligand. Amine is neutral. So 0 into 4. Plus this is a counter ion which is written in this example at the back of this box. So we know that sulfate has -2 charge and only one sulfate is there, so you write -2 here is equals to 0. So X -1 plus 0 -2 is equals to 0. So on adding all this, you will be having X minus 4 is equals to 0. X is equals to +4. So this is what is the oxidation state on platinum in this compound. So in this compound, platinum is in +4 oxidation state. I hope with these examples you have understood well that how to calculate the oxidation states for the central metal atoms. Now I am showing you certain examples which you can practice and should try to take out the oxidation number of your own. So in this compound, cobalt is the central metal atom. Calculate for this. Here iron is the central metal atom. In this example again cobalt. Here palladium. Here Au. Au is what? Gold. Then here cobalt. Here platinum. So these are the examples which I have given. You try it and then match your answer with this list. In the first example, cobalt should be in +3 oxidation state. In second, iron is in +3. In third, cobalt is in -1. In D, palladium is in +2 oxidation state. In E, gold is in +1. And in F, cobalt is in +3. And in the last example, platinum is in +2 oxidation state. So I hope this is clear to everybody. Now try with these examples. Hopefully you will be able to do it. And before you try and do these, you should learn the list of the name of the ligands and the charge. Because charges are very much necessary, as you have seen in this calculation. Without knowing the charge, calculation of oxidation state will not be possible. So watch the previous video of the topic ligand, and then you will be getting the entire list of the name of the ligands and the charges, which you mug up properly and then you start solving.